I never had my bathroom dirty or smelly. After I discovered this trick, to start a cleaning tip today, I will use 3 limes to facilitate. We will cut in half to facilitate the removal of the lime liquid. I will also make a small cut at the bottom. Tell me if you ever use lime for cleaning in your house. Now let's squeeze. If you prefer, you can use a lime juicer. It will be easier. Next, I will add also 3 tablespoons of soap powder. Let's mix well, and then wait to lower the foam. To add the other ingredients, this tip will make cleaning your bathroom too easy. Whenever I receive visitors, they ask me how I keep my bathroom so clean. As soon as the foam lowers, we will also add a cup of water. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch us to send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Gumersinda, Reggio, Spain. I'm glad you are enjoying our tips. I will also add 3 tablespoons of alcohol. It is the item that will directly assist in cleaning with this product. And then we will mix well until diluted. All the washing powder. For the use of the product, I will put all the liquid inside a spray bottle. Makes the application more practical and avoiding waste. To put the liquid, I will use a funnel, so do not drop a bit of our mixture. This tip is very simple. I use throughout my bathroom, not only on the toilet, but it is also very effective in cleaning the bath area, sinks, and even for the floor, not even between the tiles or more dirt marks. And for being so simple and cheap, believe you have all the ingredients in your home. Everyone always thank me for teaching this tip. It motivated me to come here and teach you for use. I will demonstrate the cleaning of a toilet, just applying the product and using a brush. This tip will prove useful, since the lime helps in removing these yellower spots. For the sink, just applying the product and rubbing with a sponge can easily remove all dirt. With the spray bottle, it is much easier to use, and the more you find necessary, just go increasing the amount of ingredients. As in the case of using for cleaning the bathroom floor, maybe need a larger amount, and just rub with a broom and rinse with water. This mixture is ideal for your weekly use. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you in the next video. Bye.